property right. Kindly give your views, what exactly the intellectual property right is, what is copyright, and what comes under IPR. Over to you, sir. And once again, welcome on behalf of Yogananda College of Engineering and Technology, especially on behalf of Department of Civil Engineering. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Professor. Good morning to one and all. I am Dr. A. Muriesan, Tamil Nadu. I thank Deepak Gupta sir for getting over here for a speech over on intellectual property rights. I'm very much happy. I will keep in touch the extreme Jammu from south. So thank to COVID. Due to this pandemic period, so many things are possible. So this is the one more thing. We can learn from anywhere. We can touch or we can connect anywhere in the people in the world. Yes, Professor. I also welcome Dr. Srihari from our institution, KSR Institute for Engineering and Technology. Is a professor and then incubation manager also, incubation center in charge, and IAC vice president also. Srihari sir, welcome you sir.
Thank you, Professor.
Okay, Professor. So, good morning, and professors and students. Here also, the climate is very cold because of Puravi cyclone nearing. The last 2 days, the climate was very cold. So we enjoy the cold, right? But it is differ for you, right? I will give share a screen. So my screen is visible to one and all.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir. Make it full, sir. Full screen.
Yeah. Any one of the student will be the final year from civil engineering. I got the invitation letter. That note is the participants from final year civil engineering. So any volunteers from any one student can unmute. What is expectation in this session? What is in your mind? So that's why I can narrate the session accordingly. Anyone volunteer? From Jammu and from Tamil Nadu to Jammu, students are always students. No. Hello. There are 64 participants in the list. Can I point anyone? Akash Nizar, right? Is there Akash Nishar? No. Anyone? Amulya? At least to say hi. Please unmute and say hi. Professor, they are in. Professor, they can able to unmute or not?
Good morning, sir. My name is Ritik.
Yeah, very good morning.
I am doing civil engineering from Vice City. So my expectation from this webinar is that I can learn about patents, trademarks. That's my expectations.
Very good, very good. So anyone can give a introduction of IPR? It's an intellectual property rights, right? IPR, it's a intellectual property rights. We all are having property, right? Land, house, car, bike. We all are having some property. Either it may be the land or a bike or a car, right? Even though your degree also a property. According to education you got after the completion of this year, you got a degree. That's also your property. So what is mean by right? Property rights. If I have a home with you, how will you say it is my home? How will you say this is my home, or this is my land, or this is my bike? How will you say? Hina. Anyone? How will you claim this is my home, this is my bike, or this is my car? How will you claim? You have a proper document with you, right? All of you having, I'm audible, right? Oh. Right? So I am audible. I think I am audible. So I have a land or home or bike or car. All of you having a proper document. In case of car or bike,
Yes.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Very much audible, sir. Carry on.
Sorry, sir, your voice is strucking for me. Hari, sir, I am audible. Hello. Hari, sir.
Tell me, sir.
I'm audible, right? I'm audible, right?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, right. So property rights means if you have any property like a bike, car, home, you have a proper document. In case of home or land, you have a registration document, right? You have deed, registration document with you. That document says this property belongs to you, right? Similarly, for a vehicle, you have a motorbike or have a car, then you have a RC book, right? You have a RC book. That RC book says that the bike belongs to you, right? So that is called a property rights. Here, it is the IPR, intellectual property rights. That means your intellectual, your intelligence also is a property. So one of the property, not a land or a home, or they are all physical properties, right? There are two types of properties: are movable property and immovable properties. Your land and home laws, immovable properties, and then your bike and cars are movable properties, right? So these are all physical properties, have a proper document for you, right? So similarly, our invisible property, do you have, all of you having invisible property? All of us having invisible property, that is called, have all of having our own intelligence, right? We all having some intelligence by making some useful product from your intelligence that belongs to your property. That idea become your property. Idea come from your intelligence, that become your property. That property also should be documented. So that is called IPR, intellectual property rights. Similar to your bike or car, all are protected. All are protected or documented with the government, right? So similarly, any idea or any invention done by you, that's also properly documented and protected. From government side, Government of India will give the rights to you to protect your intellectual ideas, right? So that's the rights. IPR, intellectual property rights, right? Clear idea? I give a broad view of IPR. What is an IPR? Property come from your intelligence. Not only the property, it may be the any new innovation or a small idea from you. From that idea, the peoples can make money. So that idea can be protected. So that is called IPR, intellectual property rights. May I go next? So this is a various categories are intellectual property rights. Not only the invention, like Thomas Alva Edison, so many scientists, only scientists will do the invention. Not like that. The intellectual property will cover all the areas, right? So starting from patent is the new innovative idea. Any technological advancement, due to that technological advancement, you made a product with a technological advancement that helpful to the citizens or people, that will be helpful to the people, that can be patentable. That can be patent. That comes under the patent criteria. Then copyrights means you are the any documentations like poetry or film or any image drawings or any sculpture. So that's all comes under the copyright category. See, in technologically, you belongs to civil engineering, that not at all problem. Your inventions comes under the patents. But in case of computer science and IT professional, they are writing so much of codes, right? They are writing the codes on different languages, C, C++, Python, Java, right? They will invent some codes, right? They write lots of codes. Till now, there will be no patent for software programming. That will be comes under the copyrights. There are so many copyrights are available. If you are doing any film or you are writing any poetry, that will come copyright, right? The most copyright poetry is a happy birthday to you. We are singing happy birthday poetry, so that's also gets a copyrighted also. But now it becomes come to the public. Any property according to the classification, in case of patent, it is valid for 20 years. Your patent is valid for 20 years. After 20 years, your invention comes to public. The public may use your invention, right? Copyright for your copyright will be comes throughout your life, then plus 60 years. After your life, the copyright is valid up to 60 years. Like Rabindranath Tagore write Geetanjali, right? So Geetanjali having the copyright, so up to his life, then after 60 years. And then trademarks will be comes under the logo, any logo. For example, Britannia biscuit. Britannia, we have in the top of the any brand, they will mark as TM. TM means trademark. It cannot use Britannia. Google, right? The name of the brand or name of the product that can be secured one. You can and the others cannot be used, right? That is comes under the trademark. To protect your logo or company name or product name, right? That comes under the trademark. Then trade secrets. What is the famous trade secrets till now? Any idea? Any famous trade secrets till now? Coca-Cola, right? Coca-Cola is a trade secret. The secret of Coca-Cola never disclosed. So that will be comes under the intellectual property rights. Then next one is the industrial designs. The industrial design, you are a civil engineer, you can design so many things, right? So that's all comes under the industrial designs. For example, you have a Aquafina water bottle, right? The Aquafina water bottle designed for them also, right? That design will be patentable. That is and comes under the industrial design. You have a mouse, remote control for your TV, the design of your laptop, the design of your mobile phone. It will be only the industrial designs only comes under the constraint only the look and appearance, how it will be look, whether it will be look good and it can handle easily, right? So that is comes under the industrial designs. The next one will be the geographical indications. Geographical indications, it will be for in case of Jammu and Kashmir, we have a apple, right? Arches, so many arches, right? That can be protected by use of GI. In case of Tamil Nadu, we have so many GI. You have turmeric, we have Erode Manjal, we have a sweet called Alva, Tirunelveli. We have a small town, Tirunelveli. In Tirunelveli, we have produced a sweet called Alva that having the GI, geographical indications. Then plant vertices, you have to in new plant varieties, you have to give any new plant that can be also the product in case of agriculture. Then traditional knowledge, people having convey the knowledge to the tradition ways. That knowledge also can be traditional. Then these, the last two are new to the intellectual properties: biodiversity, then integrated circuits, new inventions in the computers and biotechnology side. Any invention in biotechnology or biochemical side. So these are the various category comes under the intellectual property rights. Right? You design what idea, your idea comes under which category, that can. This is the overall major classifications on the intellectual property rights. Today I will give a not going for any all the category because we are at time limit bounded. Just half an hour more. I will give a bird view about a patent. How I will trigger you to give a patent. Right? What is meant by invention? Any idea? Invention na enapa? So what is meant by invention? Any idea? Have any a simple example for invention? Hello, students. Please be interactive. Otherwise, it will be mono play. Right? Students, are you able to follow me or slow down my speech? Sandeep Singh, right? Sandeep Singh? Sandeep Singh? Professor, any limit, 40 minutes limit in the Zoom meeting, or it's going to be 1 hour minute? Professor? Hello, sir. Hello.
Sir, it seems full version only.
Okay. Right. So look at the picture. Do you got any idea? What are the common factor in that slide?
Movable
Students,
property.
please be interactive. Yeah.
Movable properties, sir.
Motorbikes. All are motorbikes. Okay. Any other things? What are the similarities in that motorbike? We have bike and moped, sports bike, a lady scooter. Scooter also we have here. Scooter and sports bike. What are the similarity in that picture among the bikes and scooter?
Sir, in the chart they have given wheel, engine, movable properties.
Okay. Other than that, please be unmute. I can't see the chat box. I'm very sorry. Anyone can unmute. All the bikes are how it looks. All the bikes are resting. Anyone? Dash. All the bikes are resting. Dash. Fill up the blanks. Hello. I already told. Hari sir, the students are same. Either it may be the Tamil Nadu or Jammu. In silent mode only.
Yes, sir.
So maybe you are talking about the stand.
All the scooters are, bikes are resting side stand, right? There are so many inventions. What is the first invention come from the side stand? Anybody know? Because the major accidents will be done in side stands. If we are start not releasing the side stand or riding in the bike, it make an accident, right? How the people will start inverting? What is the first step they are doing? Any idea? In early period of scooty, you come across a scooty, right? In your school period or in your childhood period, you are come across scooty, no? Scooty having side stand. There are so many accidents will be happening side stand, right? Not releasing the side stand. The people are riding in the bikes. They met an accident. So what is the first they will do? Any idea? Yeah. One of the people
there is
will.
yes. There is a indicator yes. Which indicates your side stand is on. So people just put their stands off and then they ride.
Okay. First they are giving the light indication whether your side stand is released or not. Sometimes the indication will not fail. Will fail. What is the next step they will do? They give a buzzer. They give a light indication first. Then they give, and the next step they will add the buzzer sound. Right? If you are not releasing the side stand, the bike will be continuously beeps you or will alerts by some buzzer. Now, still now you have any invention? What is the latest invention in side stand?
सर सेंसर होता है उसमें कि जब साइड स्टैंड लगा होगा सेंसर से जब तक साइड स्टैंड नहीं हटाएंगे तब तक बाइक स्टार्ट नहीं होगी.
If your side stand is on, not releasing the side stand, it never ignite the engine. The engine never ignite, and the engine never turn on. So that's a invention. So you have any complicated invention? Is this or simple invention? It's a very simple invention, no? So invention should be the electrical bulb or wireless charger. Don't like that. That not only the invention. If any small technological advancement is called invention, right? Invention is any small technological advancement that comes under the invention. Clear? Any small technical advancement comes under the invention. Please be wait. I will come back. I'm charger.
Any technological advancement, sir? May I add some point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any technical advancement. In addition to that, we have to have a commercial value. We have to have the commercial value. Yes, thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will come in next slides. Okay. So simple. The first step, have a small technical advancement in your product. So that is eligible for patent. Any small technical advancement in your idea, right? Or in your product that comes under your mindset, right? What is this? Any idea? This is syringe, medical syringe.
So
This is the older version of the
maybe,
syringe, right?
Yeah, the corona vaccine
Yeah,
maybe.
First
It will also
they
be
invent the
invention, sir.
syringe with the first. What is the first version? The syringe is made up of
The needle.
and the syringe is made up of glass, right? First they will do the syringe with a made up of glass material. They will reuse the syringe after kept in the they will reuse the same syringe for all the patients in early period. Then they move on to next stage, move on to plastic, right? Use and throw. They will move on to the use and throw syringe. What is the disadvantage in the use and throw syringe? Any idea?
Sir, using plastic not eco-friendly.
Okay, that's okay. Very good. Anything
And
else?
in the glass we can reuse the thing, and there we can't reuse our syringes.
It is a possibility to reuse them, right? They will collect from the dustbin, they will wash it out and kept in a new wrapper, they will sell it again. That is a possibilities are there, right? For that, some one inventor will make the injection like this, right? Can you share the image? This is a K1. There will be a first and foremost syringe. You will get the syringe into the medicine and pull back the piston, right? Pull back the piston. So that's the second image. You pull back the piston, right? Then the medicine will comes into the syringe. Once it will be get down, you will give into the medicine to the people. They will give a small mechanical lock. They will give you 2 mechanical lock. Can you find the arrow mark? Yes, there is a small mechanical block is there. If it is moves second time, it cannot come back. It cannot be come back. Then the syringe is used only once. It cannot be reused anywhere. You got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is a very small thing, right? So this syringe is also patternable, right? So this much of invention is needed. What is the patent ratio in India? Very less. Less number of patents will be registered in India comparing to the other countries. The number of patents registered in India is very less. So that's why the government will strictly instruct the IPR regularly. So that's why you have college also having IIC cell, right? You have IIC cell, Institute Innovation Cell, right? Right. By spreading the main aim is by spreading the IPR pattern among the citizens of the India, right? So this is the very small instant I will idea. It may be any small idea. So invention. What is meant by invention? Invention is a systematic, creative. It should be creative, systematic. It works in some systematic. It's a viable. Viable means it is will usable. It can be usable. It gives a new solution that sacrifice the customer need. நீ invent பண்றங்கிறதுக்காக once you are start invent or anything, it should satisfy the customer need or people need. You should know the pain of your peoples. When you know the pain, then the invention automatically comes. I will give one more challenge here. Anything? Have any idea? What is this? Have any idea?
A gas stove.
Gas stove. How many of
gas stove?
Most of you have in your home. You have gas stove, right? I think so. What is the difficulty in gas stove? Whenever you are discussing with your mother, okay, in chat box, I can't see the chat box here. Please be unmute. Dear,
Sir,
what is the
at the
most
bottom
difficult?
you can find. Okay.
As the bottom?
There is chat box, sir.
Yeah. I can't able to chat box, I am new to
It-
Zoom meeting. I'm
sir,
familiar with the Google Meter.
Yeah, sir. Actually, at the bottom you can find
Sorry, your voice is very
look
stuck into
at
me.
the bottom. Yeah, sir. Bottom you can find various options. More. You click to more. You will find all.
Okay.
Yes, that's why there is a technical glitch.
That's okay, sir. No problem, sir. So here, when you are discussing with your mother, what is the difficult part in gas stove?
Sir, they forgot to turn off the knobs.
Now we
very
have
good.
some, automatic.
They forgot
lighting.
to switch off. Forgot to switch off. Anything else? You go and discuss with your mother today. All right, all of you go and ask your mother or who made cooking in your home. Ask them what is the most difficult part in gas stove. Is the cleaning. It's the cleaning of gas stove, especially the slab bottom of your gas stove. In your kitchen, you look at your kitchen, go to the kitchen, look at your gas stove. They cannot able to move, right? They cannot able to move to clean. They will have no space in kitchen because in India, all the Indian kitchens are tightly packed. In your kitchen tabletop, have only the space. You cannot move the gas stove to clean bottom. How they clean? It is very tedious part to clean the bottom of the table, bottom of your gas stove. Right? They will do wonderful idea. What is your suggestion? Any idea? They cannot able to put your hand inside the gas stove, right? Bottom of the gas stove. There will be a very small gap between the stand and your table, right? So what they are doing, they will do some mechanical small arrangement. There will be a twist in your stand. The height will be increased. You have a twist in the mechanical. You have a mechanical in the stand. The height of the stove will be increased. Then you can easily move your hand and clean the table. Again, you can twist your gas stove. Twist your bottom, then it will be again the height will be reduced. This is also a invention. It's a mechanical. There will be no any technological or no complicated technology is there, right? It's also a patentable one. So these are the very small invention or innovation. So what is my point? So you meet the people, ask for the pain. What is really they need? You meeting the people regularly. If you are do a invention for a driver or any automatic driving system, you meet continuously drivers. You keep on talk with the drivers. They will give up their pain. According to the pain, you will give some innovative ideas, right? So innovation should be the systematic creation and usable and new to the. It should be the new, not will be the existing solution. It should be a new solution. Then it satisfies the customer need or people need. So whenever you are doing any invention, your invention should be innovative, that comes from the people's pain. So take a survey among the people, then know about their pains. According to their pains, you will start your invention. So as earlier Dr. Srigari told, your innovation having some sweet part. Your user need, what is the need of the people? Your invention should be the user need. Then have a technological and culture support, whatever maybe they have. It have also the viable business model. Your product having viable business model, then only you making you have a successive growth. Have a successive growth in your invention, right? So you have should be having it satisfy the user need, then have a viable business model. I will give an example for business model. How many of you can use the water, Coca-Cola or Pepsi in can? How many of you drink Pepsi or Coca-Cola in a can, not in bottle? They are also available in can, right? Sir, what is the specialty in that can? Instead of bottle, they will produce
like we are not using plastic over there.
Okay.
And
First
secondly,
one, very good. That cannot be again reused, right? It only use and throw. It cannot be reused, right? Because there will be a knob. What is the specialty in that knob? Can have a small knob. Anybody? Then hello. There will be a small knob. In that knob, you open the can, then you can insert the straw inside. Then you can use that can will be that can was designed by, not designed by Pepsi or Coca-Cola. That can was not designed by Pepsi or Coca-Cola. It is designed by a normal human inventor, other than that Coca-Cola and Pepsi. He is not an employee of Pepsi or Coca-Cola, right? So what they do, they design that can, they will file the patent. Then Coca-Cola and Pepsi both are approaching him, give back for the patent. What they are to tell? Any idea? How much he will give? How much he want? He want only 1 penny. 1 penny for each can. They will not ask for any billion or $1 trillion. He asked only one penny for every can produced by Pepsi or Coke. They give the patent to both Pepsi and Coke for a penny, for a can produced in every. For example, a lakhs of can produced by Pepsi, the lakh penny will be given to him, right? Similarly, the Coca-Cola also give the lack of benefit to him. Right? So your invention having the more viable business, then your income also will be increased. Right? You do lot of brainstorming. Brainstorming means you discuss among your as a group. You continuously speak about your ideas, right? You continuously speak about your ideas. A group brainstorming will be done among your project member, right? You are in final year. In this semester, you are doing a final year project, right? Already you are completing phase 1 or not yet started your UG project?
Yes, so we have started the
you have started your project, then
Yep, sir.
do brainstorming. Brainstorming means you start discuss about your ideas among the class members. Among 60, you present your idea, not a technological thing. Don't discover any technological thing. Just discuss your ideas. This is my idea. This is going to be happen. If it is happen, this people's pain can be resolved. Right? You start discussing about your ideas, then you get so many ideas from your friends and faculty members. So start doing brainstorming. Brainstorming is a major role in innovation part for ideation. If you got any idea, please brainstorm. When you are doing brainstorm, you get fine tuning of your ideas. Right? So these are the key points. Brainstorm can be judgment. Defer judgment, then there will be no judgment. Brainstorming never having the judgment. It having only the creating the different parts. It never having the judgment. Right? It's not an argument. Argument having the judgment. Brainstorming is not an argument. Right? It's a discussion only. So it have never judgment. So you encourage all the ideas, wild ideas. Then you can build your ideas with others. Don't stick on your own ideas. You can build your idea with the others' suggestions also. So stay focused on your topic. Then be visual. Not will be the oral brainstorming. Instead of oral brainstorming, you do the visual images. You post the visual images frequently. Then go for quantity. Quantity means you are doing lots of brainstorming, not to limit to 10, 50, 100, right? Go for quantity. If you are increasing the brainstorming session, your ideas will be get fine-tuned, right? So brainstorming is a major thumb rule for any innovation. So this is a how, no, wow. So this is where is your idea, your project? You have some project idea in your mind. Where it will be your project? For example, in case of now means what in x-axis? Normal ideas. Then it is easy to implement. Did you feel that if you have any idea given to suggest your friend, they will say it already implemented. It is very easy idea. It's a very simple idea. It's not worth for your UG project. So that will be discussed in now. It's already in implementation or already in use. That is called is normal ideas. Then the extreme case is how your idea is very, very extraordinary. The technology is not available right now. The technology, according to your idea, the technology is not supporting today. According to today's scenario, your idea is not cannot be implemented in today's technology. That is your idea in how it can be implemented. It is not possible to implement. That will be in how region. But your idea should be in wow region. It should be advancement from normal idea. Then it can be implemented with the present technology. That will be the wow part of your idea, right? So your idea should be innovative or new. Then it should be implemented with the present technology. So that is called wow region. So your idea should not be now, not should be in how. Your idea should be always in wow state. Wow means it is excellent. The idea should be new to all, but it can be, it should be implemented with the present technology, right? So that should be a wow statement. So pattern, so the pattern is exclusive right for 20 years. Do you have any idea about cricket? How many of you playing cricket? Most of you are playing or watching crickets. What about cricket? Have any idea in cricket?
So there is a team of 12 players playing on the ground.
What is the latest invention? Can you tell in cricket?
So the adding of a grill cage on the backside of helmet.
Okay. According to the stump, what is the
So
latest
they provided
invention?
the lightning something.
For example, suppose you will invent the stump, right? Likewise, you assume. Suppose you think you assume you design the stump. What do you do? Assume you invented like a stump, a glowing stump. What you are doing?
So I'm going to provide a mic and
Right.
electrical
Very good.
system where
You go for a patent. Very good. What type of pattern you are write? What are the keywords you are writing in the pattern or in your abstract? What are the keywords you are using? Simple keywords. Only keywords, not in sentence. You provide keywords.
Sir, motion sensor.
Yeah, very good. Other than that, at least for 10 keywords, what are the 10 keywords you may provide? Motion sensor.
Sir, impact sensor.
Motion sensor. Then you are writing stump.
Sensors.
Impact sensor. Whether you are writing stump in your abstract. LED. Right? LED. Stump. Cricket. These are the words are you using or not in your abstract? Say yes or no. If suppose we are writing a abstract for the stem, we are using, we are supposed to use the words cricket, stem, piles, LED, the motion sensor, all the terms we are using normally. But in pattern, what they are doing? Just, Can you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Wait. You just go through the abstract. You just go through the abstract. Can you able to read the abstract? All of you can able to read the abstract?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In the abstract, he never use a word called cricket, stump, ball, LED, right? So this is the pattern abstract for the present stump you are using. We are glowing called as zinc stumps. Search for ZINGS, zinc stumps in Google. They are glowing stump in our present cricket they are using. This is the abstract they are writing the for pattern. They are never using the cricket word or you can download the PDF, right? This is the example pattern document. This is the pattern document. So pattern is the international pattern is available or not? Any idea? Your pattern is valid. You are filing the pattern in India. It's valid only in India, right? So international pattern is not available now. Right? If you want to pattern in Australia, you should contact the patent office in Australia, then file your patent. Right? There is no international patent is available. You should patent all. You file the patent, whatever country you want. You should file your patent independently. So this is your systematic diagram they will publish. Files, they are designing the files. Can you see the document, PDF document in the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the abstract they will give. They will never use the word cricket or stem like that, right? So why they are not using cricket or piles stem? Because if you are writing like this, your pattern will be converged, or your boundaries will be very, very less into the cricket. But this pattern is valid for any volleyball or basketball. In volleyball, whether the ball is touching the net or not, they can use the pattern. They can use the same arrangement. This pattern can be claimed. Similarly to the tennis, whether the ball will be touch the net or not, they can claim the pattern. If you are design, they will claim, right? So you are writing some pattern. You should your idea should be very large. While you are writing your pattern, you have a bird view. You should be having the bird view. Your innovation should be in applicable to the vast areas. It cover the vast area, right? So this is the template, standard template. So this is the pattern number, international publication number. These are the AO, AT, AU, AZ, BA, BB. These are all the country codes. These are all the country codes. So this pattern will file in all the countries individually. Right? So what are the countries are playing cricket? The person will file all the pattern all the countries. Which countries are playing cricket, he file the pattern to the all the countries. Right? So whenever you are using a cricket in that ground, so in the royalty will be given to the zinc. So this is the zinc website. Right. Right. Professor, I will 5 more minutes. I will wind up. Come back to the PPT. Can you see my PPT?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. So your pattern should be eligible for 20 years. Once your patent filed, where is our patent office in India? Have any idea? The patent office of India is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, right? So there are we have different intellectual property rights, right? Design patent, copyright, then trademark, so it gives the technological advancement also, right? Already we discussed. What is this? Have any idea? So this also, both are grinder, right? Both are tabletop grinders. What is the, can you go for a patent for this? We cannot go for patent. We go for design patent. We have go for industrial design. So here the brand name is called Preeti, right? So Preeti having the design pattern for this grinder, tabletop grinder. Any other company should not produce like in this design, right? This design was protected by IPR. It not comes under the patent. It comes under the industrial designs, right? So we have different types of mixers. So also all are comes under the not an innovation patent part. It comes under the innovation, industrial design conditions. So patent having the should be the novelty, new. It should be have technological advancement. It should be somewhat a new idea having technological advancement. It should be innovative step. Then capable of industrial application. You have some application or it will be useful for the public, not only for industrial. It will be useful for public. So it should be novel, new in idea, have a technological advancement, have a it should have an application. Make sure your project having three. Your internet connection is awesome. So make sure your final year project will comes under having these three main properties: A, B, C. Novelty, innovative step, and application. So you have a new idea. It should technological advancement in that and that idea, then having some application for the public. So if your final year project having these matches these 3 criteria, you go for patent. Right? So novelty, it should be India, it should be not published anywhere. I'm going to file a patent in India, but it should not be published in anywhere. Suppose I will invent a product in India, but it is available in other country like Australia or England, it cannot be patent, right? So your idea, your idea should be not in India. It should not be published in anywhere in the world. Right? So your idea is globally new. Your idea should be globally new. But your patent should be filed corresponding countries. Right? Your idea should be new to globally. Sorry for the sound. So right, the invention should be not in previously. It should be not in use. It should be in new. Right, already existing idea cannot be patent. So that is called the novelty. Suppose you are doing some project exhibition, right? So last year or coming year, you have a project display contest, like Smart India Hackathon, right? All of you maybe present a topic in Smart India Hackathon, right? Suppose you will present a topic in Smart India Hackathon or any project presentation, it can be patent within 12 months. Suppose you are exhibit your project in month of January, before December you should file your patent. Right? Otherwise your idea will be expired. Right? Whenever you are presenting a project or idea to the public, within 12 months you should patent file your patent. Right? Can apply for a patent. Yaar apply pannala? Any person can apply. There will be no age limit. There will be no education qualification. There is no need for any education qualification. There will be no age limit. Right? So any person can apply for patent. Not only the Indian citizens. The other country fellows are filing the patent in India. Right? Very sad thing is number of patents filed by Indians is very less when compared with the other citizens in India. In India, the number of patents filed by Indians is very less when compared with the other citizens. So keep on. So think of patent. So please concentrate on your final year project. Think on your final year project. It should be patentable, right? The 3 things: novelty, inventive step, then application. So match these 3 criteria, then go for a patent. So where to file? You have to file in Patent of Chennai office, or you have to in online also. So these are the different types of application that are not too much difficult. So you can apply by in person or by post. By post the Chennai office, right? You patent office in Google, get the address, or you can do the patent in online also. E-filing also available. Just Google by IPO, Indian Patent Office. So these are the required documents. So this rupees maybe refined. So go and check your internet whether the amount is correct or wrong. Right? Just there will be a form 1 which contains the complete specification or specification. What are the things you are used in your product or your invention? Then abstract of the invention. Then a basic drawing, very basic drawing, not a technical drawing. The drawing is only the basic drawing is enough. Then you have any legal advisor. You can power of Patani to the legal advisor to file the patent. Right? I think I pass my limit. Professor, I think I give a overall idea of pattern. I just ignite your mind towards the pattern. Right? There will be not enough time to cover the entire IPR in 1 hour. So I just kick out your brains, just give a stimulation towards the pattern. I hope all of you understand what is an IPR, how your intellectual ideas can be protected by IPR. I think I just kick out the IPR, right? Thank you. If you have any queries, please be asked.
Sir, your voice is not audible. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir. Audible, sir.
Okay. Have you finished your lecture?
Yes, sir. Have any students have any queries?
Let me ask my students if they are having any type of doubt. You can directly ask your question or you can write in chat box.
Or I will give my mail ID to my chat.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. A. Marugan sir and Dr. T. Srihar.
Keep in touch with.
Sharing a very valuable time from your busy schedule. And I personally thank on behalf of Mr. Dinesh Gupta also from IIC Cell, YCET Jammu. Sir, your presentation was wonderful. Especially you gave a very in-depth knowledge about patent, copyright, supported by beautiful slides made by you, especially how now wow matrix. And you have rightly said that inventor shall disclose the best method by which the invention is to be performed. And you have given a very beautiful regarding innovation sweet spot, the user need, viable business models. You have shown agile organization, cultural and technology. You have quoted very good examples, like the application of copyrights, how there will be infringement. So I'm sure our student got enriched and benefited by your valuable experience and very beautiful talk. Once again, very thankful to you. I'm sure in future also we will give you trouble on some important occasions. So thank you very much. We will have a
Thank
long
you very much.
with you. Thank you very
sir.
much.
Thank you. Sir. Thank you, sir. If I have one more
Yeah.
small request from you. From
No,
my
please.
Sir, anybody when switch on the video, some beauties of Jammu I will see.
Sir, right now
we cannot
because we are in the college.
but students can definitely help you.
Student.
Yeah. And you personally, we request you personally, you can feel free. You can come to our union territory of Jammu and Kashmir. We will show you beautiful Gulmarg, Pahalgam, and you will experience snowfall also. You plan. We will do all the needful for you.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you, Professor.
So I request my student, anybody is from Kashmir, who can show some beautiful scenic beauty to our sir.
Share a screen and.
Yeah, just what I am saying. Students, इंशा, बेटा आप बताइए.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you very much for delivering such a wonderful lecture and informative lecture. Thank you very much. Some of the students are going to share this screen. Some students from Kashmir.
Insha, kindly show the serenic beauty.
Yeah.
Abid, can you hear my voice? Abid?
Yes, sir.
आबिद इन सर को बताइए कुछ कश्मीर का आपने आगे पीछे थोड़ा सा.
Yes, sir.
Kindly share
Good
your
afternoon,
screen.
sir.
Good afternoon. You share your screen. Yeah. You show the serenic beauty. आगे पीछे आप greenery बताइए सर को, because he never been to this union.
Yes.
So every Indian citizen is keen to see the beauty of Kashmir.
Sir, these are lands, sir.
Lands. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Arujisan sir, आप देख रहे हैं
Yes,
sir? Is it visible to you?
It is not visible, sir. Rajneesh.
Not visible to you?
No, sir. Rajneesh is not visible, sir.
No, Rajneesh is myself, sir. You just see Abid Hamid. Abid Hamid.
Good afternoon, sir.
Abid, you share the screen. Abid, you
yes, sir.
His screen is
you
visible,
share your
sir.
screen.
Yes,
Nice,
sir.
Oh, thank you.
Wait. So just I pin.
Hello.
No.
Power नहीं आ रही है.
Abid, can you share now? Abid Hamid.
तू जा एक मिनट दुकान पे जा वहाँ देख.
Abid, can you?
मेरी बात करा फोन पे.
Now only I will pin him.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Network problem, sir. थोड़ी बहुत network problem है, sir.
Okay, no issues.
Sir, wait just a second, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is it visible, sir?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
visible.
Yes. In a farming. Which farming it is?
Sir, there is fog.
Study in first and social
That's
science.
why some dark.
आबिद
Okay.
Yes, sir.
आबिद
Yes, sir.
तो यार कोई ग्रीनरी कोई
Yes,
अच्छी सी
sir.
वैसी दिखाना कश्मीर का कोई पहाड़ दिखा कुछ समथिंग
सर आज
किसी और बच्चे को बोलो
सर आज कौन सी
यार किसी और बच्चे को बोलो इतने बच्चे हैं हमारे
यस सर
इंशा को बोल किसी को बोल बिकॉज राइट नाउ ही इज इन द डाउन साउथ दे वांट टू सी द ब्यूटी ऑफ कश्मीर क्या
Okay, sir.
पहाड़ दिखा कोई अच्छी सी ग्रीनरी दिखा तो ऐसे बैरन लैंड दिखा रहा है विच इज अवेलेबल एवरीवेयर
सर विंटर्स है ना सर आज इसीलिए
हाँ
सर आज विंटर्स है ना
विंटर्स है लेकिन तभी यार खत्म ग्रीनरी सारी खत्म हो गई क्या
सर ग्रीनरी तो
बर्फ
वैसे सर
वगैरह
सारी
पहाड़
खत्म-
वगैरह कोई आगे पीछे दिखा कुछ
सर दिख नहीं रहा है सर क्योंकि आजकल सर ये फॉग है ना थोड़ा सा
अच्छा फॉग है फॉग
धुंधला यस सर दैट्स
okay sir thank you sir some other day
Thank you,
we
sir.
will keep a virtual tour for you okay sir
Thank you, sir.
thank
No
you very
kind of
much
your
so
sir.
nice of you thank you once again thank you bye bye sir good day
Thank you. Good day, sir.
ये देखो ना अब मैं
कमल सर को पता नहीं क्या है
यार
बच्चे उधर आए हैं ऊपर
पता हो तो
फंसा तो